Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a look that I'm doing for Valentine's Day date night, and I'm going to be using the Aphrodite palette by Bad Habit, and it looks like this. I will have more of an in-depth review later on these palettes, but if you would like to see how I get this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with this shade called Koi and this blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid to kind of set down the concealer that I have on my eyelid. Next, I'm taking the same brush in this shade in Blushing, and this is kind of like a mauve pink shade, and I'm going to concentrate this in the crease. Next, I'm taking this pinky shade in Flirt, and using the same brush, I'm going to keep on blending that in the crease. This is going to give me more of that pinky Valentine's Day vibes look. Next, I'm taking the shade Lust, and this is just going to deepen up my crease. And I'm going to apply it towards the outer side of the crease and work it towards the middle. And I am using the same brush, the Morphe 441. And here I'm going to just apply some concealer. The one I'm using is from The Balm, and I'm just going to kind of do a half cut crease and just kind of use a flat shader brush. It'll help you apply it more so that when I apply the shadow that I'm going to use next, it will make it look more vibrant. Here I'm going to use the shade Crush, and the same flat shader brush, I took that Crush shade, and it's a glittery metallic shade, and I'm just applying that right on top of that concealer, and you just want to kind of blend it out on the outer corner. Here I'm just going to curl my lashes. I will not be using any falsies today. And here I am just using the shade Flirt and a little bit of Crush to line the lower lash line. And here I am just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara for my top lashes. And here I'm using the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara for the bottom lashes, and I did use my eyeliner Maybelline in Nude. And for my lips, I'm using the Milani All Natural, and I'm going to just use this shade all over my lips. And here I am setting my face with setting spray. Make sure you do this step so that your makeup lasts all night. And this is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the scent Coconut. And for highlight, I'm using ColourPop's Flexitarian, and I'm just putting that on with a fan brush. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody you know.